Hi, it's Leanne from Grogy's Patch here. I have an old GoPro, it's a Hero 3 Plus. When I got it secondhand off eBay, it only came with the waterproof case. Getting sound to it, because I wanted to use it for like recording my up-shop buys and recording as I go thrifting, I wasn't getting very good sound out of it in that waterproof case. It was quite muffled. So I took it out of the case. The sound wasn't too bad. It was better, but still not great. So I looked into getting the microphone that you can get from the GoPro, but it was going to be about $80 to $90, which was just a little bit out of my wheelhouse. So then I looked into things a little bit further and I came up with this. This is a Boya Pro Audio Lavalier mic, and it was $21. I got it off an eBay store, and it is amazing. So I've actually got it hooked on now. This is the little clip for the mic, and then it has another little box that actually runs off a battery, which is inside here, so you do have to turn it on. So right now you're getting sound recorded with the mic on. Now I've just unplugged it, and now you're getting sound recorded with the mic off. I'm sure you'll be able to tell there's quite a difference. Make sure the mic's turned back on now and plugged back in, and yeah, I was a bit astounded when I did one little test to see what it was like, and I was quite astounded with the difference in the quality of the sound with the mic on or off. So I can highly recommend that mic.